Okay, so it's still snowing. It's been snowing all day. And this is my front porch. I can't see the stairs, and this is the trash can. It's completely buried. All these cars over here, these are cars. You can't even see them anymore. They're buried. The whole street. I can't even get to the main street from my house. This is the car. You can't even see it. There is not anything in sight for miles. This is my neighbor's yard. They can't get out of their doors either. I barely shoveled the little bit here, and I can't even dig my way. I can't even shovel my way out anymore. So, and I'm on Viola Drive in Cheektowaga, on the West Seneca-Cheektowaga border. It's freezing out here. But yeah, those are all the cars, and you can't see them. So yeah, that's what it's like on a winter night in a Cheektowaga West Seneca line. I don't really know how we're gonna get out of here or whatnot. We shoveled our way out to Tops earlier. The snow was up to our chests, and we had to shovel our way out down to the end of the street. It took us an hour and a half to do that, and then once we got to Harlem Road, it was okay, but then the cars were abandoned in the middle of the street. Okay. Sorry, I'm just freezing right now. I'm so cold, so I'm gonna go inside, but I just wanted to show you all what it looks like.